Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I have here an original Commodore PET, Chiclet keyboard, Datasette built in. And of course, I am doing my best not to get things, but as you know, things happen. So, the buttons seem to work. The keys all see, the return key is rather worn, so it looks like the one shift key. There's some markings. There's some green here, some green here. This looks like it's worn right down to metal. And there's 3 letters scratched in here, so maybe this came from school. I don't know. I just don't know. Anyway, I had it in the car, and it was very cold, so I let it sit for an entire day. It is now plugged in. It's time to give it some power. Let's see what's what. Aha! Well, that is not the typical startup screen. It is not. Let me reach behind here. Oh, that's funny. Oh, I guess the adjuster for the monitor is recessed. Maybe I need a screwdriver. Gee, maybe it's broken. I don't know. Anyway, I cannot adjust that downward. So this does not look typical. I wonder. Okay, so nothing is happening with the cassette, and nothing changes when I do the screen. So what does this mean? Well, at first guess, I would think it could be some sort of RAM issue. And thankfully, now I haven't opened this, and actually I went to check it, and it's screwed shut. So I'm going to have to unscrew the lid. But typically speaking, from what I know of these machines, most of the chips are socketed, which is a blessing. And also what I know of things that are this old with chips such as this is a lot of time RAM chips go bad. Other chips can go bad too, but RAM chips seem to be the weakest link. So my guess is that of the how many there are? There are 18 RAM chips in here because there will be 16 to handle the 8K. Yes, 8K. Assuming it's 8K. It could be 4K. I haven't opened it up. But the also the same RAM chips that deal with the video RAM are the same chips. So an easy way to test RAM chips once you have the machine working is to put them one by one in the video RAM area. And if the screen comes up okay, the RAM chip's okay. But if the screen doesn't come up okay, the RAM chip is not okay. So I guess the next thing I need to do is unscrew the screws. And I don't think I'll get a magic. I mean, the thing looks in pretty fine shape. I wish, like this, I think, well, maybe it's not scratched in. Maybe it's just pencil. I don't know. No, it's scratched in. That would be, a lot of schools and things did that. They had their little engraving tools. I kind of wish they did it more in the back than right over the keyboard here, but, So yeah, there's always, I mean, these machines are now, what? 47 years old, maybe? 46, 47, somewhere in there, maybe 45, depending when it came out. So things happen. They've been moved around a lot. This one looks like it's had a pretty good life. And I know it came from a special fellow who loved to program and did all kinds of things. And he was sadly taken far too young. Anyway, so Alright, I'm going to stop recording now, and then I will see about getting the screws out and having a look inside, and then seeing what's what. So thanks for coming to the TV room. We'll see you again. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.